Hello everybody and welcome back to DayZ My Adventures. I am Billy Mac. This is Billy Mac's DayZ Adventures. So this is part 2 of my Eliminate DayZ Server Hosting Fees Forever series. Shortly after I started running my servers self-hosted, I needed to figure out how to do server resets. Because on every other server I've run, I've done automatic server resets. And here's how to do it. So I'm going to work with my locally hosted Deer Isle server to show you. And I'm going to start the server. And you will see this window open up. And then this window opens up. And in this window, you will see that it starts and it says waiting for, and it's counting down. This says 14,362 seconds. And then it will restart the server. So I wanted to figure out where this came from. And I'm going to minimize these now. And if you go to your start.bat file, and you edit in Notepad++, you'll see it says timeout 14,390. And if you open up your system calculator and you take 14,390 seconds, divide that by 60, you get 239.83 minutes. Divide that by 60, and you get 3.99 hours. Now, if you go into your MP missions folder, and then I'm working with Deer Isle, and then go into your DB folder, and you open up your messages file, and we'll edit that with Notepad++. From everything you see in green when you have a vanilla set of files is vanilla. The blue that I have down here, I'll show you that in a second. But this file does a very good job of explaining how you can do a message deadline. It says deadline, but basically it gives the users warning and does a server reset. And right here in this first example, this says message deadline 600. Now, be aware that this file works in minutes, where your start.bat file works in seconds. So it says deadline 600, shutdown 1, and says this server, and then it pulls your server name, will shut down in X number of minutes. And then it closes the text message out. So what I did down here was I just opened up a message and I said deadline 240, because 240 minutes, you take 240 and divide by 60 is 4, so it'll be every 4 hours. Shut down, and then it says we'll shut down in X number of minutes. And then I put a couple of other messages there too. So make those changes, then close this out. Be sure you validate your changes with an XML validator, which I already have, and then come back to your start.bat file, and you'll see it says 14,390. One thing I'm going to do real quick before I forget, I am going to close these windows so the server is shut down, and then I am going to change it I want it to be just over 4 hours. The number you're looking for is 14,460. You divide that by 60 seconds, you get 241 minutes, and then divide by 60 again, 4.01 hours. So change this number in your start.bat file to 14,460. Change it and run it, and you are all set. You will have automatic server resets every 4 hours, and your players will get a warning message with a countdown that the server is about to restart. That is it for this video. Please give me a like and a subscribe. Give me a comment if it works for you. Make it a great day.